The escalating tensions between India and Pakistan, particularly following the Pahalgam terror attack and the subsequent closure of airspace by both nations, have brought the region to a precarious brink. The attack, which claimed 26 lives, was attributed by India to Pakistan-sponsored terrorism, further deepening the mistrust between the two nuclear-armed neighbors. In response, both countries have taken drastic measures, with Pakistan closing its airspace to Indian airlines and India reciprocating on April 24, 2025. This tit-for-tat escalation has raised fears of a larger conflict, with military posturing becoming increasingly prominent on both sides. The history of hostility, marked by wars, skirmishes, and cross-border terrorism, casts a long shadow over the current situation. If a war breaks out, India's arsenal, particularly the BrahMos missile, could play a crucial role in shaping the outcome of the conflict, given its advanced capabilities and strategic deployments across the region. In the context of a potential conflict with Pakistan, the BrahMos could be pivotal in targeting high-value military assets to disrupt Pakistan's operational capabilities early in a war. For instance, the Pakistan Air Force's main airbase at Sargodha, known as PAF Base Musaf, is a critical target. Sargodha, the headquarters of the PAF's Central Air Command, hosts 2 squadrons of F-16A fighters, totaling around 36 aircraft, and is home to the Combat Commanders School, a key training facility. The base also likely houses a portion of the PAF's 180 Mirage aircraft, with an estimated 40 to 50 Mirage 3 and V variants stationed there, given its historical role as a hub for over half of Pakistan's combat strength during the 1965 war. Another high-priority target is the naval base at Karachi, specifically PAF Base Masroor, the largest PAF airbase, which operates around 30 to 40 aircraft, including JF-17 Thunder fighters, estimated 20 to 25 based on the PAF's total fleet of 156 JF-17s, and possibly some of the 58 Mirage 3 aircraft. The Karachi base also supports naval operations, making it a strategic maritime target. Additionally, the BrahMos could strike the Army's general headquarters in Rawalpindi, a central command hub that likely coordinates with the nearby PAF Air Defense Command, which might have 10 to 15 support aircraft like transport or reconnaissance planes. Lastly, the Kahuta Research Laboratories, a key site for Pakistan's nuclear program, could be targeted. While not an airbase, its proximity to PAF base Nur Khan in Chaklala, which houses transport aircraft like 4 CN-235s and a few C-130s, estimated 5 to 10 aircraft, makes it vulnerable to precision strikes. The missile's versatility allows it to be deployed in various terrains, from the deserts of Rajasthan to the mountainous regions of Jammu and Kashmir, making it a flexible asset in India's defense strategy. Pakistan, in response to the heightened tensions, has highlighted its own military capabilities, including the Smash missile system and the Jinnah-class warship, as a counter to India's advancements. The Smash missile, though touted as a sophisticated air defense system, lacks the speed and range of the BrahMos, limiting its effectiveness in a high-intensity conflict. Similarly, the Jinnah-class warship, while a significant addition to Pakistan's naval fleet, faces challenges in matching the combined air, land, and sea capabilities of India's BrahMos-equipped forces. According to defense experts, Pakistan's military technology, despite recent advancements, lags behind India's, particularly in terms of missile precision and deployment flexibility. This disparity could give India a strategic edge in a conflict, especially with the BrahMos's proven track record in testing and its integration into India's Tri-Services framework. The BrahMos missile, a supersonic cruise missile developed jointly by India and Russia, is a cornerstone of India's military strategy. With a speed of Mach 2.8 to 3.0 and a range of up to 450 kilometers, it is one of the fastest and most precise missiles in its class, capable of being launched from land, air, and sea platforms. Its ability to carry a 300-kilogram warhead with pinpoint accuracy makes it a formidable weapon against enemy targets. The Indian Army has integrated BrahMos regiments since 2007, with units stationed in strategic locations such as the deserts of Rajasthan and the high-altitude terrains of Ladakh, capable of targeting Pakistani military installations along the border. The Indian Air Force has equipped its Sukhoi Su-30 fighter jets with BrahMos missiles operating from key air bases like Ambala in Haryana and Hashimara in West Bengal, allowing for rapid strikes deep into Pakistani territory. Additionally, the Indian Navy has deployed BrahMos on INS Arighat, a nuclear-powered submarine which can operate from the Bay of Bengal and target the entirety of Pakistan's territory, including its coastal defenses and naval assets. Recent upgrades have extended the BrahMos's range to 800 kilometers, and the Indian government has approved the acquisition of 250 additional missiles for the Army and Air Force, further bolstering its offensive capabilities. This widespread deployment ensures that India can launch precise, high-speed strikes from multiple fronts, overwhelming Pakistan's defenses and disrupting its military operations. The BrahMos's ability to evade radar detection and its low-altitude flight path make it particularly difficult to intercept, giving India a significant tactical advantage in a potential war scenario. Moreover, the missile's integration into India's tri-services framework enhances its operational coordination, allowing for synchronized attacks that could cripple Pakistan's command and control structures early in a conflict.